Spin a disc.
What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review. Trust you guys are good. Now today we've got the prophetic ambassador, Prophet Uebert Angel, announcing unto the public that he has been invited to attend Trump's presidential inauguration, son. Yep, that's the breaking news of the day. Now, man, I ain't got no much issues about that, but man, isn't Prophet Uebert Angel too affiliated in politics, son? You know what I'm saying? I mean, he be dipping his toes a lot in politics, man, and presidents. And I know he's an ambassador of Zimbabwe, but where does Prophet of God draw the line between serving man and serving God, and the interests of God and the interests of man? You know, I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying, man. He's too affiliated with earthly politics, son. But I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Let us hear what the man of God has to say. And if you feel some type of way, post it in the comment section now.
And this year, I don't spare names, eh? Let me just tell you, I've been invited to the inauguration. Now, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Now, it arrived at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Now, sit down. Sit down. Listen to me. Listen. So, rainmakers. And this has nothing to do with me as an ambassador. Zero. So you're getting it now. So I'm even sending it to my president and say, here is a letter. Yes. Has nothing to do with my president. Sit down. Am I talking to someone?